When the skies open up and the rain pours down, it's not just the earth that receives a cleansing. Rain is a natural spiritual purifier, washing away low vibes, negativity, and even harmful intentions or spell work placed on you or your property. As long as you're intentional, the rain will help release what no longer serves you, clearing the energy around your space and your spirit. This powerful element is especially beneficial to the earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, providing the nourishment they need to grow. For air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, it clears the mental fog. And for fire, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, it offers balance, cooling intensity, and grounding their energy. Even the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, find harmony in its rhythm, connecting them deeper to their intuitive flow. Let the rain be your reminder to cleanse, refresh, and let go. And if this rain so happens to happen on a Sunday, the very beginning, the cleansing, just go out in it. Play a little bit in the rain. Allow it to just flow freely around you. And as always, with love from the safe house. We love you. Spiritual cleanses are important. You got this.